Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video.
Here we go!
Hey guys, how are y'all doing? This is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you about HiBoost. HiBoost sent me this. It's an antenna cell phone booster, and every cell phone has a different way of sending signal to your phone, and they put an app on here as well that you can actually just set this up. But we're going to set this up. It's super easy. I don't want you to think that this is hard at all. All it is an antenna, and we have to mount it somewhere, and I'm going to show you how to mount it on my rooftop tent. We got an amplifier, and then we have another antenna that goes inside your cab that shoots where you're going to get signal for your phone. Oh, and then you have power. So super simple. You got boom, boom, boom. That's it. Nothing hard about it. All right, so let's get into it because I know that's what you're wanting to see. So there's two different ways you can put this on. It's going to give you a plate like this right here, and I'm actually built this. You're not going to get screws for this. It just came with this. You're going to have to manufacture something to make that. And I actually had to drill these holes out a little bit bigger, and that's where your antenna is going to go. Or you'll get something like this if you need to put it around something round. All right, so let's get the antenna on real quick. All right. So everything you do, so when you put this on, it just is this. You can put on, they give you different lengths. You can get this, you can get, and it comes with it. So it gets longer. I just wanted a short one. And then you put this on here so it gives it a little bit of spring. So let's get this on. Boom, stay. All right. So washer nut. And I want mine wire to come down this track right here. Down this track right down here. And I'll show you that in just a little bit. I'll put this on. Super simple. And all right, so it's locked down. This done. So now we're gonna hook this in. It actually gives you a lot. I think it's 25 feet of cable. So we're gonna take this, run it down the side of it, get it into the cab, and let's keep working. All right, so they're gonna give you this little pad, and it's a bunch of sticky black stuff. 8mm opening wrench. So this is your extension. It's like 25 feet. We're gonna screw it on to your antenna, and what I'm gonna use that black sticky stuff for is to keep it in the channel. So just pull some of this stuff off, and here, take a look. All right, we're gonna run this down the side of it and get it up into the cab. I'll meet you in the cab. That part, I don't know what type of vehicle you're gonna use, but you might have to go all the way up and go through the firewall. Or if you have a Jeep that has a hatchback, you can just follow the wires of your lights and stuff like that. There's like a little channel that you can actually stick this cable through. So I'm just running the wire. That's simple. So let's get down to the amplifier. All right, so here's the antenna. So it says out on one side, in on the other. In is your inside antenna. That's the signal for your phone. The out one is the outside antenna, and they're actually the same screw, so you can get these mixed up. I just want to let you know that the inside antenna is the inside, outside antenna is that big thing that we just installed. And then we need to add power to it. That's it. Do you see those little strip things? I want to show you something. It's for these. They're for Velcro. You just pull this off, line it up on that little thing, just like that, and then you can pull this off, and that'll stick right to the carpet that you want it to. Probably shouldn't have done this just yet, but it's all good. We'll get it all figured out. All right, so this antenna, our cable, is from the big antenna outside. I've already messed this up. So it says out, so we're just gonna screw that right there. This isn't hard. And then the outside one I'm sorry, the inside antenna is here. I'll show you that one in just a minute. That goes on the inside, just like that. And then we gotta find, you tighten this down. And we'll tighten these down. 8mm, righty tighty there. Boom, boom. All right, I'm gonna shove this up underneath my seat and fix the wires real quick. And then let's play with the app. Real quick before we put in the app, we do have to plug this in, and this goes into your cigarette lighter. It has an extra piece here as well. You can also cut this. It's 2 wires, so if you want to plug this right directly into your truck or onto a switch, yeah, you can do that. You can plug this in there and then just cut this out. Right now I'm just going to plug it in because that's what I have, and I want to finish this up for you guys. It's not hard, I promise you. All right. Does have an extra USB-C right there, and I'm just gonna run this right up underneath my cow and make sure it's safe from anybody moving my chair back and forth so we're not crushing it. So that'll give us our power, and yeah, let's go in and download the app. Okay, I'll just make sure you can see. All right, so I downloaded the app, and you can find the app on your manual. And then you'll just tap that. We're gonna go through this together. I want to just turn the truck on. It is 100 million degrees. I mean, can you see that? That's insane. I'm just pouring sweat. Let's get started. Make sure you can see. Get started. All right, add a device. So it's found it right here. Just a heads up, when you plug this in, that little red button right there is actually an on-off switch. All right, so we'll tap that. Boom. Save. So we got to put in our device name. What do we want to call this? Fire. Boom. Where did you purchase this? HiBoost. Enter boost order number. I don't know that. I wonder if that'll have anything to do with it. This email is for receiving. All right, congratulations, this device is registered. Complete the remote quick install guide, my device. All right. Boom. All right, so hopefully, I don't know if any of this stuff makes sense to y'all. Bluetooth connection. All right, so it says all this stuff, the LTE 700 is acceptable. This one's poor, that one's poor. Got a 3-year warranty. That's it, all right. All right, so we're connected. We've got, it shows internet right there. I don't know if you see that. So I have internet. The only thing I think of now is just go get lost and see how well this works. But that's how you install it, and it's supposed to boost your internet. Super simple. Supposed to get the find the highest place. Which is neat about the rooftop tent is when I lift that up, it's gonna get a way bigger signal service, and route it into the cab underneath your seat. Give it power. Oh, here's the. I want to show you this. So this right here is your signal box. And they give you one of these, and don't get this in anywhere that is obstructed. So you don't want to put it in your glove compartment or anything like that. You want to get it as, there you go, as where you can get great signal. But super simple. I'm not sure how well it works. We'll get lost and figure it out one day. I have a huge trip planned. It's like a 9-day trip, and I'm going to be up in the mountains for a couple of days with terrible service, and I'm going to take a ferry to an island and stay there for about 4 days doing some overlanding. So that's going to be a good trip. Hopefully, if I remember, I'll post it up here and come back to it. But yeah, super simple. Don't be afraid to put this together. I hope it works for you. If you like videos like this, hit the notification bell. If you want honest reviews, hit the thumbs up. And man, I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.